Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with a delicious chocolate cupcake recipe. The chocolate cupcakes are frosted with chocolate buttercream. It's super delicious. Hope you will enjoy it. So let us go to the recipe. First, let us take the dry ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, less 2 tablespoons, and then 2/3 cups of sugar, powdered sugar. I've taken 2/3 cup of sugar and powdered it. Into this, add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Let us sieve this and keep it aside. Now for the wet ingredients, take 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Into that, add 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it and keep it aside. In a bowl, let us take 3 tablespoons of flavorless oil. I have taken sunflower oil here. And then into that, add 4 tablespoons of milk, to which 3/4 teaspoon of vinegar is added. This is a mixture of 4 tablespoon milk and 3/4 teaspoon vinegar. Into this, 2 tablespoons of curd. Then add the hot coffee mixture. Coffee will enhance the flavor of the chocolate cake. Add 1 egg. Now beat it well. Into this, let us add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now beat this well. Now let us take the dry ingredients, mix it well, and then into this we'll add the wet ingredients. Beat it at speed 1 till the flour and the liquid is properly mixed. Now the batter is well mixed. Just mix it with a spatula to see that there is no unmixed flour in the batter. Now we'll take a cupcake tray, line it with a cupcake liner, and into each cups let us pour 3 tablespoons of the batter. With this batter we can make 9 cupcakes. Now we'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, now let us make the frosting. For that, I've taken 200 grams of icing sugar. Into this, let us add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Sieve it well and keep it aside. Don't skip the step of sieving because icing sugar and cocoa might contain lumps. We don't want lumps while making the frosting. Here I have taken 100 grams of butter. It should be in room temperature. And let us beat the butter till it is soft. And into this we'll add the icing sugar cocoa mixture little by little and beat it at slow speed. Do not beat the butter and sugar at high speed. Beat it at slow speed, and the sugar and cocoa should be added little by little. If the buttercream becomes too thick, we can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cold milk or fresh cream. Now the buttercream is ready. It is nice and soft and fluffy. Now we'll frost the cupcakes. I'm using this nozzle. We'll transfer the buttercream into a piping bag. Press the buttercream down so that there is no air trapped in between. Now the cupcakes are beautifully baked. The knife inserted is coming out clean. Let us allow it to cool down. Once it is thoroughly cooled, we'll frost the cupcakes. So the cupcakes are ready. Please do try the recipe and give your feedback. This is such an easy recipe. Hope you will all try it out. If you plan to make these cupcakes, don't forget to share it on Facebook or Instagram and tag Rianza Bakes. I can't wait to see your cupcakes. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi friends. Welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I have come with a delicious chocolate cupcake recipe.